What's going on, everybody? So somebody sent me some information this morning and I decided to make a video about it. Just want to warn you about these credit repair companies that know everything and show you how they give out the worst credit advice. Do not sign up for somebody who has no idea about credit, especially if they claim to have been in business for 10 to 12 years, but know absolutely nothing about credit repair. So let's hop on the MacBook. I'm going to do a screen share and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. All right, everybody. So here we are on everybody's favorite scammer. That's what I like to call him. I'm not going to read all of this. I'm going to read most of it, I guess. Obviously, this first part is a shot at me. Basically, a client opted to hire me personally service, which we've already been told is just a way for him to make more money. After watching just one of our videos promoted by another company for free, recognized the value we offer and chose Pinnacle. Now, one of the things I want y'all to notice here is he talks about poor credit, lack accountability, which is why he prefers clients to understand this and they pay all their debts off. So this year, I'm emphasizing accountability. If you're not willing to settle your debts, then seeking credit repair agency won't be beneficial. You need to be ready to address and resolve your financial responsibilities before seeking expert advice in credit repair. Settling your accounts for even a fraction of the amount owed is a step towards responsibility. Now let me just stop right there. I'm not telling anybody you don't pay your bills if you owe bills. The issue is if you pay these collection companies, you're not really thinking. And what I mean by that is, what if it's past the statute of limitations? They can no longer collect on that debt. What if there's violations there and we can send it to attorneys for review and get the debt legally wiped away where you owe zero, get it removed from your credit report, and possibly get you anywhere from $250 to $1,000 in your pocket. That's why this is the worst advice I've ever seen. And last but not least, clients who have settled their debts often find it easier to clean up their credit files. In fact, 99% of my clients who cleared all their debts achieved clean credit records. There is no coincidence. It's a testament to taking responsibility and making amends for past financial mistakes. The other issue here is, and I'm sorry for laughing, y'all, this is just hilarious. When you pay that stuff, you're admitting to that stuff. That makes it harder to remove, not easier to remove. And last but not least, he posts a screenshot of one of his old credit repair agreements, and he edits it to make it look like somebody just signed up. This is not even what his agreement looks like, and I will put a screenshot up here of what it actually looks like. But yeah, don't fall for this stuff, guys. I mean, nobody watches this stuff anyway. I mean, it's real funny. This is aimed at me too. Please show us a video with your shirt off. I'm not a dancer. I'm not a bodybuilder. I don't spar. I don't know. I guess I have to do whatever he says because Andre's the boss, right? Anyway, back to what we were talking about. Be careful where you're getting your advice from about credit repair, because you could be paying thousands and thousands of dollars to pay these debts, then making it harder to remove, and you're out of all that money when you possibly could have got it removed legally and not owed a dime and got it removed from your credit report legally as well. So, as you can see, just because they claim to know everything, just because they claim to be in business for 10 or 12 years, does not mean they know what they are doing. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.